Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Stocks Investing Science. So in this video, we will look at the quarterly results and all the important updates provided in the quarterly reports for JSW Steel Limited. So before going on to the consolidated results, let's give a brief introduction on the company. JSW Steel is primarily engaged in the business of manufacture and sale of iron and steel products, and it is the flagship company for JSW Group. As you all know, JSW Group has interests in energy sector, infrastructure sector, cement sector, paint sector, sport sector, as well as venture capital. They have the company has a diverse portfolio comprised products of under steel rods, that's like under hot rolled, cold rolled, galvanized, and gal volume products, which are giving a good revenue for the company. So that's a brief introduction on JSW Steel. Let's move on to the consolidated results. So first, let's look at the total volume. So the numbers are in crores. So yeah, total volume increase year on year it has increased from 42,554 crores to 43,107 crores. That's a growth of 1.3%, whereas quarter on quarter it has actually decreased from 46,511 crores to 43,107 crores. That's comprised to almost 7% decrease in the quarter on quarter revenue. Now let's move on to the total expenses. So year on year it has increased from 39,030 crores to 41,715 crores, whereas quarter on quarter it is actually decreased from 44,401 crores to 41,715 crores. That's the total expenses for JSW Steel. Now let's move on to the net profits. So year on year it has seen a drastic decrease in the net profits from 2,428 crores to 867 crores. That comprised to almost 60% of down in the revenue, sorry, the net profits. Whereas quarter on quarter again there is a huge dip from 1,322 crores to 867 crores. That comprised to almost 35% of decrease in the net profits. Now let's move on to the earnings per share. So year on year it is decreased from 9.72 rupees to 3.47 rupees, whereas quarter on quarter it has decreased from 5.3 rupees to 3.4 rupees. You can see now the numbers are decreasing both quarter on quarter as well as year on year. So let's look at some important ratios. Debt to equity is around 1, which is okay. Current ratio is at 1, that's fine. Now let's move on to the net profit margins. So year on year it is decreased from 5.75 percentage to 2.02%. It comprises almost 3% decrease in the net profits. Whereas quarter on quarter it is decreased again from 2.86% to 2.02%. That is again decrease in the net profit margin quarter on quarter as well. So yeah, that's the results for the JSW Steel. To summarize the whole quarter results in terms of the growth percentage. So the revenue year on grew by almost 1.3%, but quarter on quarter it fell by almost 7%. But profit, coming to net profits, year on year it fell by almost 64%. Quarter on quarter it again fell by almost 30%, 30 to 35% such. So overall, I see numbers are not at all good for JSW Steel, both year on year as well as quarter on quarter. It fell by almost more than 30%. So let's see how market reacts to this set of numbers once market opens on Monday. And what do you think on the numbers? Please do share your thoughts on the results in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends, family, and also with the ones who have invested in the JSW Steel, so that they'll be aware on the quarterly results. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future updates. So with that, I'll be coming to end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.